War of words. Government and opposition trade barbs over handling of dengue outbreak. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, on the front line, health officials in St. Elizabeth, where dengue cases skyrocketed last year.
Unlikely support. Manufacturer throws weight behind ban on sugary drinks.
Rising concern. Clarendon officials unsettled by gang violence in the parish.
And in the financial week, technical glitch. Trading disrupted on all three major regional stock exchanges.
There's also sports commentary, e-prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, are you doing anything differently in light of the dengue outbreak?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail after the break.